The Golden Dancer, story of a forest butterfly. In the heart of a lush green garden on the edge of the village, where the leaves glistened with dew and the air whispered ancient lullabies, lived a tiny golden butterfly. Her wings were cloaked in hues of orange and brown, glowing like the sunset. Her name was Tumbra, a swift and silent messenger of the wild. Tumbra was no ordinary butterfly. She belonged to a group known as skippers, with strong bodies and fast darting flight. Unlike most butterflies that glided gently, she zipped from flower to flower like a streak of sunlight. Tumbra did not breathe through her mouth or nose like humans. Instead, she had tiny holes called spiracles along the sides of her body. Through these, air passed into a network of tubes called tracheae. Oxygen entered directly into her cells, fueling her wings for flight and her legs for gentle landings on leaves and petals. Each breath was not seen, but it was felt, as she danced with the breeze. The forest breathed with her. On top of her round, curious head were two long antennae, or filaments, swaying with every movement. These were her senses, like the eyes of the soul. With them, she could smell the scent of nectar-rich flowers from a distance, feel the vibrations of other insects, and even sense the change in the wind. They guided her through the maze of jungle paths, across rivers and over fields. When a storm brewed in the distance, her filaments trembled. When morning arrived with its perfume of blooming flowers, they tingled with excitement. Tumbra was a nectar lover. Her long proboscis, like a tiny straw, would curl out from under her head and slip deep into the hearts of flowers. She drank sweet nectar, her only meal. But sometimes she sipped from mud puddles, too, absorbing minerals and salts that made her wings strong and helped her lay healthy eggs. Each flower she visited was a partner in nature's song. She fed, and in return she carried pollen, helping plants grow and multiply. Tumbra lived with nature, not against it. She was preyed upon by birds and frogs, but her colors hid her well when she folded her wings and sat still like a dry leaf. Her golden brown tones melted into the forest floor, making her nearly invisible. She played among bees, dodged the curious ants, and once even rode the breeze up to the tallest banana leaf just to rest in the golden morning light. When she laid her eggs, she chose soft leaves with care, leaves that would feed her children once they hatched as tiny caterpillars. Though she lived only for a short time, Tumbra's life was complete. She brought beauty to the air, food to the flowers, and a lesson to the world, even the smallest. Silent creature breathes, senses, eats, and gives back to nature in perfect harmony. So the next time you see a little golden butterfly resting on a leaf or fluttering through your garden, remember Tumbra, the golden dancer of the forest, who lived not to conquer, but to connect.